Alright, we're going to try something a little different here. This was an American 5200, or it is American 5200. It just had the shackle cut off. It was on a cage for M4 carbines in the arms room, and somebody lost the key, so they cut it off and threw it in the trash. And of course, you know, I pick them up because they're still functional. The only thing is, I'm going to try something a little different here. As a kid, I used to watch a lot of MacGyver back in the 80s. Great show. This is my Swiss Army knife. It is a Victorinox Explorer Plus. I keep a little tension wrench right here. And the parcel hook, I modified it. It lays low, so you got to pick it out. It's an S-rake. I could just try and rake this open and wish for luck, but I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to try to single pin it with this. You see how fat this thing is. I'm still going to try it. So, I'll put this on some bottom tension. If I can get it to go without binding up. And let's see what we can do. When I was a kid, I was infatuated with trying to learn how to pick a lock with a Swiss Army knife like he did on the show. Of course, you know, when you're a kid, you never like, oh, he's not using a tension wrench, or he's using some odd-ass tool you couldn't pick a lock with. But, you know, I still thought it was the coolest thing in the world, so I decided to make my own. Oh, wait. There it is. Well, I'll do this here for you. This actually is a fully functioning 5200. There's no pins taken out of it or nothing like that. I just like picking various locks with Swiss Army knives. I shouldn't be using my half diamond to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Come on, get out of there. Alright, I'm trying here. Let me get some light. This will be a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, but hey, it's fun stuff. Let's flip this around. Here we go. Alright. I'm not even going to use a follower, I'm just going to pull them all out. As you can see, if we can get the focus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key pins. There's 5. see if we can zoom this. Five serrated key pins. No spools in this one. They're 5 serrated driver pins. And that was all picked with a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Single pin picked using a snake rake. Thanks for watching. Hope this motivates you to make one of your own and try some crazy shit. Y'all have fun.